Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced with a quick video on object destructuring in JavaScript. So object destructuring is a easy way to take, well, individual properties of an object and put them into their own variable. So for example, let's pretend that I have this object here called Alex that has my name, Alex, and my age, 38. Okay, now at the most basic level, the way destructuring works is that you would declare the properties which you want to put into their own variable inside curly brackets. That tells it, hey, you're destructuring an object. And I'm saying, hey, the variables that I want to yank out of that object are name and age. So when I say, hey, this equals the particular object with those properties, it's going to then check the object to see, hey, is there a name property? Yes. Okay, let me take the value of that name property and put it into this name variable. Let me take the value of the age property and put it into this age variable. Okay, the cool thing is I can also do that with default values. So maybe I'm not 100% sure if that property is going to be in that object. I could use the equals, the assignment operator, to assign it a default value if for some reason that property is undefined. And last, what if there's already a variable called name that's in my scope? What I can do is I can use colons to then give that variable a different name. So say here I'm saying take the value of the name property from the object, from the Alex object, but actually save that value in a variable called full name and a variable called years old. And see here I'm logging those variables. So if I were to run this file, okay, we'll see that, hey, all 3 times I pulled out those 2 properties from this video. So if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.